In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about waterproofing treatment for roofs so your crib stays dry and damage-free no matter what Mother Nature throws at it. Alright, so here's the deal with waterproofing your roof. It's all about keeping water out and protecting your home from leaks and mold. First off, always start by cleaning your roof thoroughly. Dirt and debris can mess up the waterproofing layer and make it less effective. Next, check for any cracks or gaps, because those little sneaky spots are where water loves to sneak in. When you pick a waterproofing product, go for something that's flexible and UV resistant, so it won't crack or peel when the sun's blazing. Applying the treatment is usually a two-step deal. You lay down a primer first to help it stick, then put on a couple of layers of the waterproof coating for solid protection. Don't rush it, make sure each layer is completely dry before adding the next one, or you'll end up with a weak spot. Also, keep an eye on your roof regularly, especially after heavy rain or storms, to catch any issues early. And if you're not feeling confident with the DIY route, getting a pro to handle it is always worth the investment. One of the biggest mistakes people make with waterproofing treatment for roofs is skipping the cleaning step. If you don't prep your roof properly, the treatment just won't stick right. Another common screw-up is applying only one thin layer instead of multiple thick ones, which leaves your roof vulnerable to leaks. Lastly, ignoring small cracks or holes before applying the treatment is a rookie move because water will still find its way inside through those weak spots. Fix these by always cleaning well, layering up your waterproof coating, and patching any damage before you start. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer if you're looking to get your roof waterproofed without the hassle of hunting for reliable contractors. It hooks you up with trusted local pros who know their stuff, and it's also a solid platform for contractors looking to find new projects nearby.